Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we're going to be taking a look at a case for the Blackview A80 Pro. Now, hopefully all of you are safe. If you're new to the crew, make sure you subscribe and get notified for more videos. But if you're already subscribed to the channel, salute. Now, let's begin taking a look at this case. This is the HualuBro retro wallet case for the Blackview A80 Pro in the brown. Let's go ahead. I really like this texture. It's like, feels like cloth. I've never seen such attention to detail. Really feels cool. Look at this. It's like made of cloth. This is, I might save this. This is so cool. Put that off to the side. Now this phone does come in, I've seen blue, red, green, and probably some more colors as well. Now this is, let me smell this. Does smell pretty good, but I don't think it's real leather. So we do get this nice hide right here. It does appear to look like leather. You can see right here on the back, it does have that nice boxed shape. Let me see right here. So you get that swivel right here. It's like an indent, your camera cutout, and your fingerprint cutout. Power button, as well as volume rockers on this silicone case inside of it. Let's put this little styrofoam piece here. Now you do have 1, 2, and 3 different slots for your credit cards, as well as an option to put stuff inside of here as well. And this thing is magnetized. I feel like it closes automatically with that magnet, and it does open up when you push it, but it still stays shut when it's like upside down. So let me show you that. That might be important for a lot of people. Now let me pop this in and see how it fits. So you can see we do get a notification light on this phone. I think that's something that's really cool. Now you can use it as a kickstand, so it will bend in this fashion like that. So let's test out the fingerprint sensor. You can see it's green right there on the back. Let me see if I could still hit that. Okay, so yes I can. Let me turn up the brightness. Now there's a video right here. Let's see if we can play that video. Okay, so that looks really cool. I actually really like these wallet style cases, but let me know what you guys think. I think this is definitely pretty sick. It goes, you can see the back of it right here is also leather as well, and it's got the silicone case on all around it. A spot up here for your headphone jack. This phone does have a headphone jack, which is cool. The bottom speaker, Type-C charging, which is really cool for this device. I really like the size of this device. It's 6.5 inches. Facebook, you can go into Twitter, and then you can go into Instagram right here. Everything seems to load up properly, and I really do enjoy using this device. But let me know what you guys think about this case. Let's test out these buttons. So there is a nice click on that bottom volume rocker. Same thing with the top one. The power button has a little bit of a click to it. Fingerprint sensor works perfectly fine. You can also wrap it around the back right here if you wanted to, and then use the phone like this. Because it has facial recognition, you can still get to the phone. So you see how fast that is? So that's actually pretty sick. I'm really enjoying this case. But let me know what you guys think about the wallet case for the Blackview A80 Pro. I'll leave a link down below. Make sure you stay locked in, and I'll get right with you. Peace.